Well, here we are in a place called El Golfo, which is up the west coast of Lanzarote. Famous for its green lagoon, which you'll see in a minute. This actual footage you can see now was taken on the 2nd of January when we just had the tail end of one of the many storms that have been hitting the islands, which carried on into the Mediterranean. And you can see the palm trees there. This El Golfo is very famous for the green lagoon, which you'll see shortly, and also the fish restaurants. Many fish restaurants apparently that are very good in the village. And you can see that the water is so clear, so blue I should say, although it's very rough, as you can see. I don't know why them people are stood on there. I wouldn't like to stand there. Apparently the green lagoon, which you'll see in a little while, is what was left of a volcano that was eroded away by the sea, and it's full of some algae which turns the water green. They've fenced it off. You'll see the fencing in a minute, so you can't go anywhere near it. You can't touch the water, not that you'd want to. I don't know what's inside it. It's just a stark contrast to the blue water of the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. But when we went up there the first time on the 2nd of January, it was really windy, as you can see. These little places right on the beach, and this is the 9th of January now. We're stood on the top of just above the green lagoon, which you'll see in a minute. And like I said, this used to be a volcano, and the volcano was eroded away by the sea and left this green lagoon behind. You see the fence up the middle of the beach there. I'll put the drone up in a minute and you can see exactly what it looks like from the air. You look at those the face of the rocks there, the lines in the rocks, different depths of the rocks. Anyway, I'll put the drone up in a minute and you can see exactly what I'm on about.